In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. Respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Khalid. I am here to talk upon Palestine and its main issues. My Lord, Palestine is a region in the Middle East. It is sometimes called the Holy Land. Palestine is important to Jews because the ancient kingdom of Israel was located there since then. The region has experienced bitter fighting between Palestine Arabs, who are mostly Muslim, and Israel was mostly Jews. The Israeli-Palestini conflict is an ongoing military and political conflict about land and self-determination within the territory of the former territory of Palestine. An armed conflict between Israel and Hamas-led Palestinian militant group has been taking place chiefly in and around the Gaza Strip scene. 7th October 2023, it began when Hamas launched a surprise attack in southern Israel from the Gaza Strip. Around 1,200 Israeli deaths and 5,431 were injured through retaliation attack by the Israel armed forces against Hamas in Gaza. 34,735 Palestinians was killed and 78,108 were injured. Oh Allah, help and protect the Palestinian people. Oh Allah, ease their pain and suffering. Oh Allah, best to word of mercy, your mercy in them. Oh Allah, open people's heart to give in the crisis. Thank you.